In a primetime news follow-up now, police investigators remain tight-lipped on whether they have received closed-circuit television CCTV footage on the controversial No Movement Day celebration at the Our Hotel in St. Andrew. Former Agriculture Minister Floyd Green and JLP Councillor for the Mona Division Andrew Bellamy were among the attendees. A judge gave the hotel until today to release the footage to the police. However, Deputy Commissioner in charge of crime Fitz Bailey told our news center that he would not comment on the matter at this time, adding that the police high command will give a full statement tomorrow. Meanwhile, the opposition PNP has labeled as sloppy the investigation into the incident, referring to media reports suggesting that the CCTV footage may have been lost. Opposition spokesman on national security in a release lamented what he deems the casual and unenthusiastic approach to the investigation. He says it's a serious indictment on the JCF's organizational credibility.